The cases that I deal with now are mostly people that get involved in automobile accidents, whether it's with another automobile, maybe it's a tractor trailer. Um, and then of course we do deal with people that get injured through um, premises. You go on somebody's property and they didn't clean it properly, and as a result of that, you get injured. So those are the major types of cases that I currently deal with. The personality traits that I think make me a good attorney are the fact that I like to work hard. Um, I still like to learn. Even 30 years into practice, you're constantly learning and improving. And so those are, I think, the two biggest traits that help me in my practice. Insurance companies, of course, they make their money by taking your premium dollars and they hold on to those as long as they possibly can. So one of the advantages of being here at Farah is we try to get those cases into suit. And by having lawyers that are dedicated just to the litigation process, it allows us to push those cases closer to the courthouse. The closer they get to the courthouse, that's really the only deadline that the insurance company has. And then once they realize, hey, this case is going to go to trial or we need to pay up. So that's the benefit to being here at Farah is the way that their things are set up. Just handling litigation files helps me get those cases closer to the courthouse, which helps get them resolved for most of our clients. One of the things that makes me a successful attorney is I actually like what I do. As long as you love coming to work, and that kind of thing, it makes it a lot easier to get in here and do the things that you need to do. Focusing on resolving these cases for these clients, knowing that this may not resolve all of their problems or all of their issues, but at least it helps bring the client some closure. And then once they get that closure, then I think it's a lot easier for them to move on with their lives. Some clients you do get to know very well. Because you handle their case for an extended period of time. And there's more going on with their case. One of the things I like about these cases is they're all a puzzle. They're not all exactly the same. And so you have to get into that to figure out, what are the important puzzle pieces so that you can help your client tell their story to the adjuster, to the other attorney, to a jury if necessary. And the best way to do that is to get to know your client. I'm committed to giving you the best representation that I can, right? And striving for the best possible outcome that we can get. I want the client to understand that, no amount of money generally is going to make them whole, especially if they have long-going issues. And so the best thing that we can do for them is try to get a good outcome so that they got the medical care they need, if they need future medical care and that kind of stuff. They've got a way to take care of that, and they don't have to worry financially about, how am I going to pay for this or how am I going to pay for that.